Hey there, it's David here with another Cinelli Chat. We have to stop being everything or try being everything to everyone. What do I mean by that? Well, look at my industry. In my industry, there are many different types of realtors. There are full service, there's discount, there's guys somewhere in between. Well, why is that? Well, not everybody is shopping for the same type of experience. So some people don't care about all the bells and whistles in which somebody like we do, for example, the DCT. Maybe people don't want to have their house cleaned, or maybe don't want it staged, or having access to all of our people. Sometimes people just want to do it themselves, and sometimes people aren't even caring about the bottom dollar. They just want to do all things themselves, and they just say, listen, I just want to pay for this. It happens. That's why there are discount brokerages in our industry. Sometimes some people just want them. You have to figure out on the other side too, is like what you want to be. Are you going to be a discount broker? Are you going to be a high-end broker? You can't be both. So you can't be everything to everyone. Figure out what it is that you do and what you excel in, and stick to that. So again, when the way that a lot of times people get frustrated or they fail in any industry, I'm just using my industry as an example, is when they try to be everything to everyone. We also have how many businesses or even not even businesses or products that fail because they try to be everything to everybody, and then the customer doesn't know what they're getting, and it adds to confusion, and next thing you know, they're just not hiring anymore, they're just not using that product anymore. So if you are, again, that goes even for those who are working at a desk job, knowing what you want to do. It's like, do I just want to work in, when I was in finance, do I just want to work in finance, or do I just want to work in treasury? Do I want to be an accountant, or do I just want to be a treasury analyst? That was from my treasury days back then. And you just got to know, stick with it, and then build within that. If I just tried it, for example, if I was in finance and I tried to keep just doing finance, I might have had a piece here, might have a piece there, and it wouldn't excel in any of them. I just would have had a piece here, a piece there, had a broad knowledge of finance, quote unquote, but it wouldn't have necessarily helped me with my treasury job. That's all I'm saying to you. So whatever walk of life you're in, figure out what it is that you want to do and do it well, and try to obviously don't get too narrow focused where you can't, and then you're just, not useful to anybody. But you do want to make sure you know what your target market is and how to benefit the people that you're trying to work with, and then how to promote that for yourself. So don't be everything to everybody. Hope this made sense. Bye for now.